Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power 52 times 25 power 49 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 4 power 52 we can write it as 4 power 49 plus 3 times 25 power 49. Now exponent rule x power m plus n we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 4 power 49 times 4 power 3 times 25 power 49. Now 4 power 3 times 4 power 49 times 25 power 49. Now another exponent rule x power m times y power m. We can write it as x times y whole power m. So 4 power 3 times 4 times 25 power 49. 4 power 3 times 4 times 25 is 100 power 49. 4 power 3 is 64 times 100 power 49. If I write in scientific notation, so 6.4 times, if you insert a decimal before a single digit, so you have to add 1 as well in tens power. So 6.4 into 10, 100 power 50. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.